So consistency really should be the number one measure of success. The reason it's not is a lot of times it's not exciting to talk about, but there's a few reasons why consistency is so important. First and foremost, it really does allow you to create habits, and habits over time make life easier. Another thing is people often look for motivation. Motivation is emotional and it comes and goes. With consistency, you get incremental gain, you get compounding interest, and you'll see improvement over time with consistent behavior. You look at someone like Tom Brady, he's a perfect example of consistent behavior, not an amazing talent, if you will, but someone that was consistent over his NFL career and largely considered the greatest of all time. Well, I think one of the reasons it's so difficult for people to be consistent is it's really not all that glamorous. I think in our day and age, people are really focused on outcomes rather than the process. The process takes time. And so we're oftentimes chasing get-rich-quick moments, gimmicks, and unfortunately, that's just not how success comes. And so if you look at New Year's resolutions, very few people even set one, and most people are done in January, and an even smaller portion of people are successful with these resolutions, and it's largely due to lack of process.